Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I have in here a replacement part for a lawnmower, which I don't normally do this, but I'm going to actually read the number because I want to make sure I get it right for you. This is for a Craftsman, Husqvarna, Ariens, and Poulan Mandrel assembly for a 42, 46, 48, or 54-inch mower deck. It replaces the 187292 and 192870 parts. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff. So I used to race cars professionally, so I know parts. I love parts. I love how they're manufactured. I don't know, it's a little weird of me that I kind of like that metal and the differences between them. But so while I don't have those particular models to install this and test it for you, I can very much inform you on the quality of the construction of this piece, so you know what you're looking at if you're going to get this as a replacement part for your unit. Let's take a look at it, see what it looks like. Woo, comes with the hardware. So I did notice this before. It comes with nice graded hardware, so you know what the quality of that hardware is. It's not just some random stuff here. The piece itself, you can see it's a really nice cast, and it's been finished and smoothed out around the edges. Has a nice nylock to attach it with a grease fitting on the top, which is very cool, so you can maintain your unit. The bearings feel really nice. The stuff is all machined well. This is like a really nice piece. Overall, I like the fact that it comes with this graded hardware. As you can see, this is good. This is a really nice quality product. You can't go wrong with this, I don't believe, as a replacement part for your lawnmower. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.